be honest. If I didn't have this channel, I wouldn't have come online right now. Well, that makes sense because this channel doesn't exist, but I wouldn't have done any programming. But yeah, we're gonna do some programming. Even if it's like 20 minutes. I'm just gonna set 20 minutes. We're gonna continue the SVELTE project. Not gonna worry about anything or anything. I'm a bit annoyed about the fixing I had to do behind the scenes, so let's see where do we start. What do I want to fix? I want to add this one. Let me see. These are options. Or I would like to say radio options. Alright. Um, no, I need to open it up here. Not here. Here. Okay. Let me see. Google. I'm gonna use Gemini for this. I'm not gonna bother. How did I call it? BTNS. BTNS. Alright. Um, how does the responsive one looks like? Oh. Okay. We're gonna make two separate ones. Because that's let's see how it looks. We're gonna call this um, search Svelte. Let's go to app. I just wanna see it. I don't care where it is right now. Actually, let's go here. Okay, it should be below that div. Let me see. Okay, so this is called how much again? Wow, it's because I already did so much coding that I'm already fried. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, not bad. Okay. Okay, so I knew it was gonna do that. Let me check. Top left. Okay, so it's a 0, then we're gonna do this one, if the option length, and okay, yeah, sure, no worries. So I'm gonna explain it in a second. Give me a second, guys. Just wanna check how it looks. But it has both of them. Okay, this one's good. Problem. What is this one? Okay. So if the option is 0, we want to have top left. Border radius, top left. So what's going on? These are the exact same. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they need to be bigger, right? So let me see what's going on here. This one. Padding of 40, bottom 8. Okay. Padding X of 40 pixels. Okay, the size is good. Text white. Okay, it's let me see. Yeah, and the font should not be medium. Font should be normal. I'm gonna explain it in a second, guys. And the text should definitely be smaller. So let's see what the text here is. It should be like text 16 pixels maybe. See? Okay. And still it should be bigger though. Gap. What do you mean gap? How? Height is 48 pixels. Fuck off. height 48 pixels, and the width is 150 pixels. See? Okay. Okay, so we have a relative problem. So, do we use flex? Let me see. Yes, flex and items center. Okay, that's not gonna happen probably. Yeah, yeah, I figured so. Okay, so for the items, for the text, right? Relative top 2 pixels. Okay, looks very close. Let's see the buy again. I would say that is very close. Okay. Okay. First we're gonna, oh yeah, I was gonna explain, right? I promised. So if I stop doing that. Okay, so basically what happens, we're gonna look through these options, and the first selected is buy. So that's the selected option. That should always be green and the text white. If it's not selected, then it's gonna be text gray, background white, hover gray. So if I hover over it, it looks like this. Okay, makes sense. Now for the first item, the top left corner should be rounded with 8 pixels. If it's the last one, then the rounded should be the left um, top pixel, and if there's anything in between, it should not have rounding. And of course I have other options because I'm using a ternary option. This is either or, so either this or that. And so if there's an error on one of those, then it's gonna default to these ones. And on a click, that means that the selected will be the option. Make sense? Alright. Sorry, I'm a bit tilted. This is, remember this. Remember this. Okay. Paste. There's no pasting. Why is no pasting? Alright. Okay, let's do pasting again. Alright. Okay. Um, prop. Okay. Let's close that one. Why did I open that one? Completely unnecessary. Okay. Next one. Upload file. And we're gonna do prop. Prop. I added some extra option that sit as a second column directly beneath what we already have. The first part has a drop down below the text. Select type. Let me get the SVG as well. So let's go to Iconify and let's go to get get started. Browse icons. We're gonna here and we're gonna go to chevron. Okay, that's not the chevron, that's what we're looking for. Let's check arrows, just in case. Okay, I see here an arrow. Okay, let's go back. Select down. The options are houses, commercial, enterprise. For the chevron, this is the SVG. For the search, the second item is a search. For that icon, use this SVG. So let's go here, let's go to search. Actually should have a magnifier. These are not the best magnifiers, but we'll deal with this. Use this SVG. Oh, let me paste correctly. Okay. For the third item, this is the button.svelte with the text search. Okay, let me be more specific. Now let it run. Let it cook for a bit. Let's see what happens. So this is already working, so I'll put it next on the side and let's see. Okay. There's something wrong here. Could you combine it with the remembered code I gave you? Let's see. Okay, no worries. So let's go here for a second. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what we need to do is we're gonna give the whole stuff. So let's go here. This is called prop. Okay, great. Now make it look like this. Don't change the remembered code though, as in the styles. Okay. Prop. Okay. Let's see. Not bad. Okay, so the button swelled is not working. Why not? Button swelled should be working. Okay, a lot of things it is existing. Search. Okay, we have an issue here. First of all, we don't want to have the mobile version, right? Let's see what's going on here. Okay, they are. Okay, they are on a. Okay, flex goal for both of them, and flex, flex, etc. Okay, so we have some fixing to do. Let me actually reset the timer. I'm feeling it again. Okay. Okay. So keep the code here, and we're gonna see. Okay, so the first thing I wanna do, make the drop down work. Okay. Because I don't know why he shied out. Okay. Does it work? Oh, do not like that. I know what's doing, but okay, let's do first of all, let's do the button. Let's do search. So let's do that first. So what's going on here? Width is 135 and 48. Okay. Classes. So width is 148 pixels. Height is 48 pixels. And rounded is 16 pixels. Looks perfect to me. Yep. Okay, now so you have alignment issues, especially with the other one. First of all, let's do a background of stone 200. Let's see. Okay, that's only for this one. That's what I don't want. I want it a little bit select type, video button, flex. Okay, not that one. Click on white. Okay. Okay, not bad. See, do 100 here. So first of all, we need to talk about the padding. So let's see what the padding is. Bottom 1. Okay, PY2, margin top 2. So let's start with the margin top. So that's the first thing. Also, there seems to be in padding. Why? I don't want that. Okay, great. Now, the second thing what I want to fix is the text. So the select type text. So let me see what it is. I want this to be 16 pixels. Let's see how it looks. Okay, that's too small. That's too big. That's 12 pixels. Okay, happy with that. Okay, so now we have a problem with the surroundings. So inline flex. Let's do BG white, PIX, and this one. 2 gone. That's the first thing. Did I save it? No. Okay, now we have a shadow. So, and a ring inset as well. So that can go. Okay, closer. Now, let's make that text to be stone. This one and a stone 300. Okay, closer. Now let's work on the chevron. I just want to see what it does here. There's an SVG somewhere. Why don't I see it? Okay, here's the chevron. So it has a margin left of this, but I want to do relative. And I want to do bottom 2 pixels. So I want to increase the spacing here. So now we have houses. We see that we have an hover of gray 50. We can remove that. Focus outline. Okay, I'm not a fan of the spacing of the outline yet, but it's very close. Okay. The next thing, it has some margin on top. So let's actually fix that. Let me see where it is. Record stone here, pxy forward. So I want to have a margin top of 1. Let's see how it looks. Not bad. No, actually, margin top is 1, and then I will have a p top of 2 or 3. You see? Something like that. Okay, now we have an issue with the border on the other one. So let's see, the border, I want to have it 2, but I want the visibility of this to be 20. So that looks something like that. It even has less visibility, even 5. So let's see if 5 exists. It does. I think we're very close. Okay. Now let's remove the margin again. Margin top. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, I'm not dissatisfied, but for these one, it seems like there's some distance. But let's first work on the other one, which also has some padding bottom of 2. Okay, closer. They have gaps. So let's create a gap of 20 just to see what happens. Okay, not bad. Is the glass below the rent? Kinda, yeah. So the gap could be a bit smaller. So let's do gap 80. I'm not sure if that exists. It does. Okay, now let's go to the search button, which also has an SVG. And we're going to go on top. And we're going to remove the outline. So let me see. Ring grade 300. Let me see how that looks. It's not that one. Sorry about that. Focus outline none. Am I doing the right one? Yes, I am. Okay. Okay, I also see there's like a border or something. Okay, I'm not sure what's happening here. Let me see. We are at the bottom. Oh, we are at this one. Okay. No, that's not where we need to be. We need to be here. So let's see. We have a ring, a shadow. That's what we have. Is it this one? Not sure what the blue stuff is over there. Okay, I have to be very careful now. Location search. Okay, I'm removing stuff that I shouldn't be removing. And that's on this one. Okay. Still made a mistake here. Yeah, okay, so let's go to the next one again. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna check the location search. And the first thing that we need to fix, let me see. That is the outline, so let's do that. Let's see where it is. Border, border gray, and focus outline none, focus blue. Okay, so all the bordered stuff that can go. Okay, so we have a border again, gone. Okay, now this one is not the same color as this one, and this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna change that. We're gonna do border stone. That's the first thing. And we're gonna make this 300. Okay. Let's make that 400 actually. That doesn't necessarily look good. Okay, decent. And let's make the text smaller immediately, so we have that done. So text 12, 14 pixels maybe. Let's see. See how it looks. Okay, decent. Okay, let's work on the stone 500. And so I get a little bit lighter. Okay. Let me see, there's something wrong. I'm not sure what it is. This one is still a bit lighter. Why? Let's make it lighter, just like this. Okay, 300 maybe then? 300. Oops. Okay, so let's see the spacing between them. Is that right? No, that can be a bit smaller. So the left is going to be 1. Because that's spacing, right? No, it's not this one. Margin right of 2. Let's see. It's not that one. God damn it. It's something with left. Oh, here. You can see it here. Alright. Definitely needs to have an 8 or something. See? A little bit too small. Let's do padding 9. I'm not sure what happened over there. Um, what just happened? Why are we in hero? Okay. I think I did something wrong. See? Yeah, now... God, I'm not sure what happened over there. Okay. Okay. Let's do 9. Okay. Decent, 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 decent. Now, we had a background, but that's filling the whole stuff. That's what we don't want. Is that the one? Background stone. Let me see. Remember, call radio buttons. Okay. The center stone. I just want to see if that's is the background indeed. Okay, yeah, that is. So we're gonna refer that. But I think that should actually be here. So it doesn't fill the whole entire screen. Okay, no, that's not working out. Okay, I need to think about that for a little bit. How I'm gonna fix that, because that's a long time ago. Let me see. Okay, it shows us all the way there. Gonna think about it for a second. Let's fix the rest of the stuff. Okay. I am not dissatisfied about that. Okay, let's check the other ones. So houses, the word houses seems to be a bit too small. So let's see, houses. Selected type houses. Okay. Where is it used? Selected type. Okay. Selected type. Okay, great. So I want this text, which we already have, to be 14 pixels. Let's see how it looks. Okay, a little bit smaller. Great. And the distance between the gap could also be a bit removed. Okay, happy about that. But the chevron should be a little bit more present. So let's see where it is. SVT. Okay, so I wanna. Where did I fill the color here? Let's just make this gray 500. Let's see what happens. Okay, nothing happens. Okay. That's because of the fill current color. That's why. So I'm gonna do a fill of. Wait, I think I know why. I shouldn't do the background. I should do the. I will try the text. I'm not sure. Let's try it anyways. Text. Gray 500. No, that's not gonna work. Really need to think about it for that for a second. Let's see if I do this. It's gonna change the text. Oh, I see the problem. Okay. Um. Where's that? See what happens? Okay. Okay. Definitely less present as I figured. Okay. Definitely could be lighter as well. See? Even lighter than that. Okay. Let's do DDD. Okay, no. Let me see. E BBB CCC DDD CCC. See? Okay, no. It should be BBB then. I think that's decent. Yeah. I'm seeing that the selected type has a semi-bold. We don't want that. We want to have a font of normal. Okay. And also the color is a bit more present. So there's that. Okay. Now let's check the spacing again. There's equal amount of spacing in the bottom and on the top. So something like that. I'm not dissatisfied about that. But I do want to have a gap. No, I want to have a gap between them. Mm, space. Let's see what happens. Okay, now that. that's okay. That creates issues. Okay, let's do it here. That's so strange. Space, Y, 1.5. I'm getting a headache of this. Okay, gap. Y. Let me see. Does it exist? Y. Yeah. How can this be? Oh, the one with the margin 4? Okay. Okay, so it should be this one. I don't see anything. No significant difference. Okay. It's not bad though. Like I can do it on the text, right? But I'm not dissatisfied about it. Okay, so when I hover over it, when I click on it, I get a ring. So let's check that. On the locations. Let's do ring stone 300. I saved, right? Okay, that's not working out. Ring 1. Oh, fuck. That's why. See? On focus. Focus? Maybe? I'm not sure if this exists. No, it doesn't. What is this again? Let me check. I have it somewhere here. Focus outline none. How about that one? Kinda works. Not. Ring inset. Is it? Oh. Okay, yeah, I'm on the wrong thing. Okay, so I need to be on the input. I'm on the wrong thing. The input. See? Great. Works by me. Now, I'm not gonna insert that here. I'm not. It's completely unnecessary. So this one is rounded. Now I have to think about these ones. So if I go here flex call, we have here item center, and maybe I should do something like justify start. You don't see it? Start. Mm. Mm. Maybe flex wrap. Let me see. No, okay. So we need to think about that. I'm not sure how to do that anymore because I haven't done it for a long time. So let's ask the AI. It's okay. Um, I have a div that has flex items on it. If I choose a background, um, it fill, fills the end. Oh, I think I know. Let me see if I have it though. I think this is the one. No. Ah, fuck. Okay, freak. I think it should do something with inline. Yeah, you see? Inline flex. Yeah, okay. Inline flex, I think. But it doesn't adjust though. Yeah, kinda need to copy the whole thing. Didn't work. Why? I'm curious. I don't think that will fix it though. But we'll see. Right? Let's see. Let's have what did I so what did I copy? Okay. This one. This one. The div was less open. Okay. Is it because of this one? Ah, damn it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's not because this one didn't work. I also have to do this. Inline flex. I think it's this one. Great. So that's an issue fixed. Now it has more spacing than I would like to. So let's go here. So let's check everything here. Okay. Fine by me. Let's see if I resize how it looks. Great. Now, we've done that. And we're gonna say medium devices. It's going to be hidden. On hidden. And I wanna do a medium. I wanna do, let's go. Great. So if I have here, gone. Okay. Is it perfect? Not really. But does it work? Yeah. Like I don't have access to this property that much, so but it works. Like I want it, so not happy with that, with the top X2. But yeah, definitely working. And let's fix one more thing. It says top listings here, and we don't want that. We want to have recently viewed listings, and that's gonna be on the second one. It's gonna be recent. So recently viewed listing. Great. Working on the spacing later, not that important. Okay. Great. I see there's some padding around the x-axis. Definitely not needed for not the recent one, but the, what did I call it? Search one. There's some padding. Unnecessary padding. Let's see where it's coming from. Oh no, it's not unnecessary padding. Nah, it's totally fine. Okay, now this one is not necessarily in the middle, right? Of the and that seems because that thing is not included, the search stuff. So let's go to the hero. And I should actually, where the div stops, that should be here. And then this one should as first have margin top of 2 or 3, whatever. Doesn't do that, why not? Also not doing that, why not? Okay, so let's do the classes thing that we did before on the other ones as well. Let me see how I did that. Let's go, for example, cities. I don't have it here. Let's go to the subheading. Export let classes. And then, yeah. So let's go to the search. What is it? Yeah, okay. Duh. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. What's going on? Unexpected value. Okay. Let's go to heading. Let's see how I did that. Oh, I can just use the. Okay. That works. I did not know that. If I knew. Something like that. See, there's too much spacing here. Let's go to the heading, for example. Heading. Okay, I don't need. Oh yeah, of course. Then doesn't need to be $sign. Duh. Okay, and let's go to the hero, and on the search, I want to add classes, and then I want to say a margin top of 3. Let's see what happens. With more margin, maybe even 6. Now, why don't you want to do this? Because the margins that I'm adding, right? You don't want to do this because this is why I created some issues for myself. Shouldn't have done that. Okay, let's see why there's too much spacing here. Why it's overflowing. There's a gap. Apparently. Works by me. Okay, yeah, on tablet versions we're gonna fix that later, but basically this works. We fixed that, and we made this one. That was not easy. That was not easy. Oh, it seems like when I click on it, there seems to be an issue. Let me see. Not really. Okay, so on hover, there should not be a border. But yeah, let's do it now. See, go to search. So on hover, okay. No, here I should have border 0. See? Yeah, that works. Okay. So we have some issues here. Let's see what the issues are. Not important. Not important. Unused selectors. Well, if it's unused, then there shouldn't be a problem, right? Okay, gone. And we also have an issue here. What is the issue here? Screen is around image as an image. I don't see what the issue here is. Screen readers already as image as an image. Let's check this link, see what's going on. Oh, so I said image? Okay. Hero. Okay, done. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Let's check the mobile one. Okay, working on a gap soon. Nothing special has happened. Okay. This project is taking longer than expected. Yeah, because I made this element and now we only have to adjust small things probably. I'm gonna make the text white probably. Okay. This one's gonna be like here. Gonna fix that later. This one has a spacing issue. Don't worry about it. Okay. Also need to fix this one. And these ones. Okay. And the spacing here. Yeah, it's not a lot. I think that is it for me for this stream. Thank you so much.